Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As always, today I will talk about this Nakto ox bike, how to fold it. I notice some people have difficulty to fold it, not because it's hard, you just need to know the trick how to do it. As you can see, this latch over here, it's open up, unlock, it will not fold. Why? Because there's a trick. Once you open up over here, you have to open all the way up. This way it will unlock. Okay, let me show you. So once you put in this position, you need to bring it all the way up, this spring inside, and once you bring all the way up, now you can fold it. Very easy. It's foldable. Okay, you just move the pedal back and fold it. That's how you fold the Nakto ox bike. It's unique locking device installed, very secured. I think it's the best I could see, so it will not open up while you're riding the bicycle, and so far looks good. So to unfold the bicycle, it's very simple. So you just hold the seat and handlebar, open up, put it in place over here, turn it all over here, and just switch down, lock in like down, and it's locked now, ready to ride. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll show you more tricks and tips for this bicycle.